Yeah, man, no hungry and no start more eat some jerk chicken. Yeah, you don't know before we touch that event here. Draw for the food if you see. Alright. One thing I work again now. Yo, which one I can get some jerk chicken? Yeah.
I don't know what you mean by yo something and some jerk chicken.
Yo, something of some jerk chicken. Where we can find the nearest pan chicken man then. Pan chicken. Nearest pan chicken man.
I don't know what you mean by where they can't find the nearest panchi kinlandi pancha. Can you respond kinland?
Oh, what do this girl low man start? Alright, yeah, alright. They must know about curry goat. Where we can find some curry goat chicken back and white rice. Which restaurant in Japan, yeah, sell curry goat and white rice? Yes or no, baby?
Let me think.
I see that y'all find the jerk chicken and
How about a web search for what I can find some curry with Chewbacca call white rice which restaurant Nigel Pandias in curry what power white rice.
oh, what do you oh,